Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to a new week. A lot happened at the weekend. The market did a whole lot of downtrend and an uptrend and downtrend and uptrend. But at every move, if you have been getting used to my telling you, make sure the previous trend is over before you get into the market, you should be making money. Like for instance, for this side now, for those who bought this coin from this particular end, from this support zone here, and it has done up to this point from 18600 up to 18900, at least $300 been added to it. So you must have made money from this point here. There's no doubt about it that you must have made money from this point of the market. So you see, that's why I keep telling you guys, make sure the trend is over before you get into the market. If not, it's going to be so rough on you. So if you short this market from this point here, you must have made 1.3%. You get that? For 1.3%, $100 would have given you $10 depending on the leverages you use. If you use 10 leverage, you must have gotten $10. If you use 20, you must have gotten $20. But if you use 50, you must have gotten $50 plus on this market. So the market has been doing a whole lot of downtrend, and we've seen, like I told you guys, the bull run is coming. Guys, I believe so much that October is going to be massive. October, going to be going into October 4 days from now, and I believe me, you guys October is going to be massive for us. October is going to be good. Like we all know, September has never been good for crypto market. Yeah, like I said, September has never been good for the crypto market. A lot of people were saying when we started with an uptrend, people said that a change is going to be made. Like I said, there was no change that was going to be made, and totally we've seen the difference right here, and we could see how the market is moving so far. As we get here, I do not see any downtrend coming here until we get to this point of 19,300. This is where I'm expecting our downtrend to start from, because if we get to this 19,300 and we do not break to 20k, there will be another downtrend that will be coming on us massively. If we do not break this 19,900 when we get to 19,500, that means there will be a U-turn. If this market should make its way up to this point and there's no breakout from this angle right here, that means we'll be making another U-turn down to this point of 18,500. And if we make a U-turn here and then a U-turn here and then another U-turn, which just happened yesterday night right here, and this market happens to come back to this point again, you guys know what will be happening in the market. That means we will be heading down to this previous low right here, which was at 18,200 or $1,800. That is where we'll be heading to if this market do not hold this point of 18,600 when it will drop down again, which I don't believe it will hold. It may likely break out. If it breaks down, that means this is where we'll be getting to. Yeah, this is where we'll be getting to, because if it comes and tested this place, you know what that means: 1, 2, 3 and then 4. And if you go to the 4-hour time frame, we'll see that we'll form a double bottom. A double bottom is a sign of a bull flag, and we're believing that today this market should be taking us up to 19,200 or 19,300, because we are on an uptrend. So you long your position and keep your stop loss very close to this point of 18,700, and keep your take profit at this point of 19,200, or bring it down to 19,150. That will favor you much in the market, I believe. If you take a very good look at the market closely at this 4-hour time frame, you could see how the downtrend has been confirmed. Yeah, the downtrend has been confirmed, and all the way down to this place, and then a pick up from this triangle here, and then there was a little manipulation. This stage shows a little manipulation, and then a bounce back up to this place. There was a faking candle, because this point formed here and it has to form right here again. So it formed right here again, So all this strategy here is trying to show how the move Bitcoin is going to make, the next bull run Bitcoin is going to start, because we've been seeing this breakout taking down, taking down, taking down, taking down, and all the same time we're trying to figure it out at this point of 17,500 down here. If Bitcoin should make it up to this point of 20k view, that means there will be a little breakout that might probably take us to 22,000. That probably may be occurring by October, for what I see, because if you should go back from this angle right here, you could clearly see the chart where the dump of 17k is going to take place right here. And if you could fold this shit down here, the chart will clearly be written at our previous point where we measured where the takedown was going to take place, and then it started dropping. So this should be our next target of dump. If Bitcoin do not go above the 19k, I do not want anybody to start longing the market at this point in time, because it is very close to this point of 19k at the moment, guys. So let's just keep our eyes on the market and see what the market is going to do. But for what we are seeing on the charts here, if the market is not being manipulated, Bitcoin should come back to this point of 19,300 in then our target at this 19,900, because this huge dump here, this huge pump here, sorry guys, this huge pump right here, this huge pump right here was exactly what brought this huge dump right here, and then the market started gaining momentum to fly, and then there was another dump right here, and then at this point in time here, you could see that the market is trying to gain momentum. If the market breaks above here, that would be a nice entry for people that are taking their entry point. But if the market should break, that means our target still remain at this point of 17,500. That should be a nice move for the market, guys. So however the market goes, and we could take a look at the MACD right here. The MACD has been accelerating. It might drop down here before there will be the massive big back. So however the market goes, guys, make sure you trade the market from a lower time frame, so you know when a trend is over, and then you know when to get into the market. See you guys in our next video, and thank you.